I'm pleased to present the Automotive Collision Repair class of 2021. Instructors Mr. Ryan Table and Miss Ashley Essengard. Toby Bonvicino, Stockbridge Valley, student of the third quarter, excellent attendance, Automotive Collision Repair Senior Appreciation Award, and winner of the Excellence in Achievement Award. James Burback, Oneida. Christopher Boussinets II, Rome. Lanija Campbell, Rome, Outstanding Citizenship, Academic Achievement, and winner of the Richard Riedel Career and Technical Education Award. Jeremy Coons, Rome. Mackenzie Evans, Rome. Aaron Hatch, Madison, Outstanding Performance and Laboratory Skills. Tesfaye Hatch, Oneida, Outstanding Growth. Charles Kobler, VVS. Elijah Makowitz, Rome. Deegan Nelson, Madison. Jacob Platt, Rome. Charles Russell, Rome, Outstanding Leadership. Dakota Russell, Rome. Samantha Swinney, Rome. Ryan Thompson, Rome. Nicholas Ertz, Rome, student of the first quarter. Riley Wallace, Oneida. And Damon Zimmer, Camden. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Automotive Collision Repair class of 2021. Congratulations.